New Sony HD AX7 portable theater system with 360 spatial sound mapping. Main features are 360 spatial sound mapping immerses you in spatial sound by placing speakers all around. Sound effect fields is off. Place the three speakers in corner of your room and the HDA AX7 will create the perfect atmosphere with high quality room filling sound. Design and audio in harmony. No wireless to disrupt your layout. Perfect addition to any home and seamlessly blends in with any interior. Environment in mind. Sony's home audio products are designed not only for the excellent sound but also with the environment in mind. We are committed to using less virgin plastic in our products and packaging. No fuss, all fun. Get started with your HD AX7 in no time using the Sony Home Entertainment Connect app. Simply download the app and let it guide you through the initial settings and troubleshoot. Seamless connectivity with Bluetooth technology. Connecting to HDX7 to your device is easy. The wireless rear speakers are automatically paired to the main unit, so simply place the speakers around your room and press play to get immersed.